Welcome back. Noted Goan environmentalist Rajendra Kherkar has been appointed as member of National Board for Wildlife. The newly constituted board is headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. All mines in Goa require the board's permission to restart the operations.
राष्ट्रीय वन्यजीव सल्लागार समितीची जी नियुक्ती झाली असा ही एक जबाबदारीची गोष्ट असा आणि त्या माध्यमातून देशभरातले जे वन्यजीव आणि पर्यावरण संवर्धन हे जे विषय आता ऐरणीचे रेडलेले असा त्या संदर्भात एक काम करपाची संधी मिळाली असा आणि गोयच्या दृष्टीने सांगचे म्हळ्यार गोंयांत ही पहिलेच फावट प्रतिनिधित्व मिळालें असा आणि म्हाका हांव जे ह्या क्षेत्रांत इतली वर्सां काम करता त्या कामाचो हो एक गौरव समजता आणि माझ्या भारत देशाची जे वन्यजीवन असा पर्यावरण असा परिसंस्था असा तिची राखण करप हे माझे हांव कर्तव्य समजता. ही वन्यजीव सल्लागार समिती जी आसा ही बैठक जी आसा ती नवी दिल्ली हांगासर देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी यांच्या नेतृत्वाखाली संपन्न जाता. गोंया खातीर म्हणजे आमचे जे गोवा आसा ह्या गोयचे वन्यजीव आणि पर्यावरण संवर्धन सुरक्षित रावचे ह्याच्या खातीर हांव इतली वर्सां काम करी. आता तेच काम जे आसा ते राष्ट्रीय स्तरार व्हरून गोयचे जे वन्यजीव आसा गोयचे पर्यावरण आसा त्याची राखण करपाच्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान हांव म्हाज्या परीन योगदान करतालो. वर्सान 3 फावटी बैठक जाता नवी दिल्ली हांगासर. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट अँड फॉरेस्ट जे केंद्रीय वन आणि पर्यावरण मंत्रालय आसा त्यांच्या म्हणजे कार्यालयान ही जी बैठक आसा ही बैठक जाता.
आता केन्ना होईला सर तुमकां?
आता ते त्या संदर्भातले पत्र जे आसा ते धाडटाले.
The historic Durand Cup has come to Goa. The 127th edition of Asia's oldest football tournament will be held at Navili and Raya in South Goa from 20th October. This is the first time in 74 years that Durand Cup is being held outside Delhi. Defending champions Mohammedan Sporting have been drawn in Group C alongside I-League champions Bengaluru Football Club. Goa Salgaonkar, Sporting Club and Churchill Brothers are placed separately in the 3 other groups.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is the Durand Cup. This is 126 years old. This is the Shimla Trophy. This is 110 years old. The first team in Pool Charlie is Bengaluru FC.
Reason why we went to Raya is, look, we need to have good tournaments and big tournaments in the countryside at grassroots level also. Okay, why should it only go to big places? Even small people can host big tournaments. They need to have a big heart, and I sincerely thank the people, village panchayat of Raya and the people of Raya for taking this on. Actually, for the army, this is a 3-stage tournament. Most of our army teams have first already gone through a qualification process where about 30 teams fought it out, and we had a tournament in Bangalore. Out of the pre-tournament in Bangalore, we only picked up 4 teams, and those have come for the qualification, and from this qualification they'll go to this thing. So there's a grassroots reach within the army for this.
Goa Amateur Boxing Association, with support from Sports Authority of Goa, had organized a refresher course for their coaches. The course was conducted by former India coach Imani Chiranjeevi at SAG Complex at Kampal. After taking part in this refresher program, the state boxing coaches are expected to perform at a better level.
In a sliding position, with that, use your hands and turn your shoulder.
When I throw the left is always
throws and punches on the right. Always one feet away right stance. So here what you've done, when I throw my left, I get the distance. Then only I can throw the right. Otherwise your right throws, it's always fall short of the distance. Here, that's where the balance, no balance for him.
We have with us one of India's most respected and well-known boxing coaches, E-Money Chiranjeevi, who has had an illustrious career spanning more than 2 decades, and wherein he has produced medalists at the national as well as international level.
The idea of this course is to memorize the things what they learned before. And they say perfection is cannot be attained, but if you pursue, you reach the level of excellence. So this is to get them back into the mode of training. Or if they watch which they are not able to do correctly, teach them, because learning is unending. Right. They say knowledge is a theory, knowing is an experience. Absolutely. Unless I learn new things, I cannot teach to my students. So this is one thing I am here to guide them for a better results in the Goa state.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.